Hi friends, I'm Steve at Boston Children's Museum and thank you for joining me. We are in the middle of the month of Ramadan, the 9th month in the Islamic Lunar Calendar, and so my friend Ayesha is going to show you how you can make a beautiful Ramadan wall hanging. Let's check in and find out how.
Hi everybody, happy Ramadan. I'm going to show you how to make this moon and star decoration for Ramadan. We're going to look for sticks for our Ramadan decoration. So this is a good stick, a good shape. So we're going to use this one. Maybe this one, I don't know yet. Here's what else we need. You can have wrapping paper or any paper you want. You can have tape. You have to have tape and string and scissors and a pencil and like a lid, something that's a circle, so it could be a moon. We cut out the moon, so now we're going to do the stars now. Now we cut out the stars, and now we're going to put the stars, the pattern that we like. Now it's time to put this on the stick. This is it. Now you can get it going up to help you hang it.
Thank you so much for sharing this beautiful activity with us, Ayesha. I love how you used sticks in your backyard to help make the wall hanging. And thank you everybody for joining us. We hope to see you back tomorrow for a Ramadan-themed story time and encourage you to check this feed as we'll have new activities and things you can do posted every day.